All right, we are starting today off in Benedict, Maryland at a waterfront restaurant that burnt down in 2018. I've been here before, but didn't realize that it was this recent that it actually burnt down. I thought it was, I don't know, a while ago for some reason. Starting off today's ride here, brought the drone with me, so gonna get some drone shots over top of here. It's a little bit more gusty than I thought, but it's beautiful weather out. We were making it out for a good portion of today, and I have decided to go down to Leonardtown. All of today's ride is going to be a venture for both of us, because I've never really explored over here besides just making it to this point. So this is going to be super fun for me, as well as you guys. But essentially, there's another waterfront in Leonardtown, which I really want to get the drone up on, and that's basically my goal for today. Get some coffee, try a new coffee shop, and maybe stop by a state park if we have some extra time down there. Sure that we're gonna get lost a few times, so let's jump on the bike and get going. All right, so this is going to be the final spot for this evening because I very much under anticipated how long I was going to be in Leonardtown. I thought I was going to make it to the park and definitely did not. This is the last thing I wanted to bring you to here. Yeah, it's a rock, but has some to do with the history of down here. Apparently it has a curse of injury. Basically, don't touch it, is what I'm gathering from this. Trying to research about this area that came up, so figured come here, take a picture in a second, gonna walk around. I've already been out for almost 5 hours and I'm only like an hour and a half away, so I don't know. I'm slow when I'm trying to film and actually enjoy the experience because I've never been here before and just kind of wanted to explore around and actually enjoy it. New coffee shop, which is always a plus, especially since they were good. We'll definitely be back here, probably bring the family, definitely try to bring some friends to ride down here and make it to the park. But it has been so enjoyable, solo trip out. Thank you guys for checking out this video. If you have liked it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below and I'll get back to you.